or welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new to my channel. Here on my channel, I do makeup tutorials, obviously hair, and I do vlogs, just pretty much everything overall beauty. So I'm glad that you guys came to stop by. Obviously you want to see how I achieve this high ponytail on very short hair. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and don't forget to hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, keep watching the video over there if you guys want to see how I achieve this look. Thanks guys. You're gonna need some jam, the hair, of course. I got some Yaki Pro cheap hair 18-inch. You're able to curl it up to 400 degrees. We shall see. A rack tail comb, a curling iron, a flat iron, a brush, scissors, bobby pins, and some oil sheen. All right, y'all, let's get started. This is for all my short hair girls. Y'all look crazy, but I'm just trying to show y'all this is what I do. So what you're gonna need is some black hair wrapping paper. You're gonna need some jam. This is the kind I like to use. You can pretty much use any kind of hold or edge control, any kind of jam of your choice. And you're gonna need one of those edge brushes, a regular brush. Try to get one that's real sturdy and hard, and a rack tail comb, like with the little tail like this. That's why it's called rack tail. It's real skinny. So, and you want to start off with your hair wet. What I did was I permed my hair last night, so you want to get it as sleek as possible. So if you can perm your hair, but maybe you're a natural girl and you don't perm your hair, but just make sure that your hair is wet. So I washed my hair and I left it in a cap all night, and I left like some leave-in conditioner on there after I permed it, you know, so it could be really soft or whatever. So you don't want your hair to be dry. What I've already done was put jam all over my hair. So what I'm gonna do now is try to attempt to put my hair in a ponytail, because I did cut all of my hair off like in November. So I mean, it's pretty short, but it's grown pretty fast for me to have just cut my hair off a couple of months ago. So I'm surprised. So yeah, I'm just gonna attempt to put my hair in a ponytail, and I left this part out because I want to do like some baby hairs, and I also feel like some little swoops in the back. I'm gonna fix that. So yeah. And y'all, don't give up, don't get frustrated. You're gonna have to attempt this a couple times. So I'm gonna have to keep brushing until it get as sleek as possible. So I think I'm gonna add some more jam to it. All right, so I finally got one scrunchie on there. So I'm gonna put some more jam, because you don't want your hair to be sticking out like a ducktail in the back. So I'm gonna put some more jam, brush up some more, and I'm gonna put another scrunchie on. I'm gonna put both of these on there. So I put one on there, one of them popped, so I end up putting another one. So now I'm gonna put two more. Okay, so now we're gonna do our baby hairs. I'm gonna take my jam and dip my brush. All right, I did the best I could with them baby hairs, and then I did the ones in the back. So, and then just wrap this around. kind of lay this like that. Take another one and go from the back to the front and kind of give it a little tie. And you want to get right here, like where the bang starts. Oop. And tie that in the back. And then you want to go back in the back again because you want to get all of this. Because remember, your hair is short, so it might start poking out in the back. So you want to get this sleek as possible, much jam as possible, or whatever edge control, whatever you use. And make sure you cover that up with wrapping paper as well. Yeah, so then you just sit under the hair dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have a hair dryer, then probably just blow dry it. Or if you're getting ready for bed and you're not going anywhere for the day, then you can just, you know, fall asleep like this and then probably put a scarf around it and then just let it naturally air dry. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes and I'll be back. All right, I just got from under the dryer. As you can see, my skin looking like burnt toast. But this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. The Pro Yaki Premium 2. This is a color T1B30, 18 inch. You're able to curl it up to 400 degrees. I've used it a couple times a while ago, but that's when I was doing my hair straight. So I'm not sure how it's gonna curl, but we shall see. So I just got some little cheap hair. Like I said, I'm going to be flat ironing my hair with this. I have a thicker flat iron, but I think I want to be able to get to the roots a little bit more, so I chose to use the thin one. And then I just have this curling iron here, the Conair curling iron. So we're letting that get hot. So I don't know if I should put my ponytail first or try doing the front. I think I'm gonna bobby pin my bangs and then start on the ponytail. Okay, so what I did was cut some of the hair off, like 2 little small tracks, so I can use it for the front of my head before I start placing the tracks as a ponytail. So what you want to do is start from the end where it's closed, the part that you didn't cut off. Start from that end. And y'all, it's been forever since I did a ponytail, so bear with me. Alright, let me just say, long nails and bobby pins is a no-go, sis. Like, this has been very difficult. And the crazy thing is, I'm able to braid my hair with nails, so I don't know why bobby pins has been such an issue. All right, now, so let's get ready to curl. So you're just gonna take a piece, comb it out. I don't have any hairspray. I forgot to get some at the beauty supply. Well, that seems like that's as good as the ponytail is gonna curl. So flat iron the 2 pieces in the front. So now what we're gonna do now is start adding the hair. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Yes, get into this pony. Yeah, it came out cute, y'all. I mean, even though the curls didn't hold like I really wanted them to because the hair is so cheap. So next time I probably buy some bundles and curl it with bundles instead of this cheap hair. But honey, we did the best we could do. But I like how it turned out though. It's cute. It took a lot of effort to do an effortless ponytail, let me tell you. But we made it. We got it. We got the point. So I'm gonna curl this a little bit. This one is kind of straight. You see, like, that's how it curls. Like, it don't really hold heat like it say it do. But I mean, the front bangs curl pretty good. So yes, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. I need you to subscribe to my channel because I'm always coming out with some kind of beauty content, makeup tutorials, vlogs, everything. So you might as well subscribe since you came this far and you watched my video. And please, please, please don't forget to hit the like button. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. And remember, you are beautiful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.